ecosystem. Ecosystem, right? What is ecosystem? Ecosystem consists of, you know, one is biotic factor. Biotic factors. Biotic factors. In this comes plants, animals, and microorganisms. Microorganisms. Organisms, right? They need energy. They need energy for performing various metabolic activities, right? Then we have abiotic factors. Abiotic factors like soil, wind, water, light, etc. They all together form a ecosystem, right? Abiotic factors and biotic factors. Biotic factors में they are biotic factors में there are plants, animals and microorganisms, right? They need energy. Abiotic factors में there is no need of energy. They are just soil, wind, water, light, etc. Right? Now, if we talk about further, so these plants by absorbing sunlight and in the presence of chlorophyll with the help of carbon dioxide and water produce food. Produce food, right? So plants are this process is process called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, right? So plants are only plants. Plants are producers. Producers, right? By respiration, by respiration, respiration, food plus oxygen converts into carbon dioxide plus water plus 38 ATP.
Sir, plants are producers. Plants are called producers.
Plants are producers. Called producer, yeah, they are producers. The thing are same. So by respiration, food plus oxygen, we get it's broken down into 38 ATP. This is ATP. This energy utilized for metabolic process. Metabolic process, right? ये जो ATP है, that is used for, तो this is प्रोडक्शन हमने किया फूड का, फिर ब्रेकिंग डाउन. रिस्पायरेशन इज बेसिकली ब्रेकिंग डाउन ऑफ फूड. Breaking down of food. This is 38 ATP, right? So plants are prime producers, right, in an ecosystem. Then and all the organisms, this is we have, right? Should I rub?
Yes, sir.
It may be in some books 38, it may be, or it can say that it is 36 ATP, right? This is we have. So now ये जो ATP एनर्जी हमने जनरेट हुआ, this plants we call producers. Plants are producers. They are producers. And when it is, this energy is transferred to, when this plant is eaten by insects, all plants eaten by insects or small animals, they are called herbivores. Herbivores, right? So plants are producers. These insects or animals, small animals are herbivores. When these herbivores is eaten by, or they are called primary consumers. Primary consumers. Primary consumers. Then it is goes to large animals, big large animals, large animals called carnivores. Carnivores, right? These large animals are known as carnivores or secondary consumer, or secondary consumer, right? These are secondary consumers. And finally, when it is eaten by human beings, human beings which are omnivores, right? They can eat, they can take energy from them also, they can take energy from them also, they can take directly energy from them also. So they are called omnivores. This is called, they, or we can say them tertiary consumers. Tertiary consumers. Tertiary consumers. So primary, secondary, and tertiary consumers, and they are producers, right? So animals are basically consumers, right? This forms a from producers to primary consumers, then secondary consumers, right? Then it is to tertiary consumers. This is called a, this flow of food, flow of food in a ecosystem form food chain. Food chain. क्या? Flow of food in flow of food in a ecosystem form food chain, right? And many food chains, many food chains many food chains combine together combine together and form food web, right? Many chains are combined together and form food web. Right? Should I rub?
Yes, sir.
So flow of energy. So food chain decides flow of energy energy. Food chain decides flow of energy in an ecosystem, right? So producers 90% consume by itself and 10% transfer to primary consumers, right? These primary consumers again consume 90% and they transfer it and they transfer 10% to secondary consumers, right? They consume 90% and 10% transfer to tertiary consumers, right? And so on. So this is a right. So this is what we have: producers, primary consumers, secondary consumers, tertiary consumers. So this is a food chain in which this is a food chain This is a food chain by which transfer of energy
energy.
Right? This is we have. I hope you understand. Okay, should I rub this
Yes, sir.
now? Law of thermodynamics. Law of thermodynamics. First law, energy can neither be created nor destroyed energy can neither be created nor destroyed, right? It transfers from one form to another form of energy, right? This is first law. And what is second law? Second law of thermodynamics is sum of useful energy and not useful energy is a constant.
Sir, remain.
Sum of useful and not useful energy is a constant.
Remain constant is constant same na?
Are constant. If Q energy is given, then U is not useful energy, plus W, that is useful energy. Right? Useful energy. So this is VF. Q is equal to U plus W. ठीक है? मतलब this energy not used, gone waste gone waste, and this is utilized in different metabolic processes. You get this?
Yes, sir.
This is we have in this section. Huh?